Welcome! The Eldorado Celtas are proud to support our partners with tools and resources that make your work easier and more effective. This video is part of our ongoing effort to provide clear guidance and training on key topics in special education. To explore additional learning opportunities, scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen to browse our professional learning catalog. Let's get started.
From the dashboard, navigate to Transfer Requests. Click on Students Out. Click on the Process Transfer icon, the plus sign. Locate the orange Complete Transfer button on the right, located below the student box. Click the button. In this example, you can see that the student is still eligible and has not been dropped. Enter the exit date, the last day of attendance. Select the exit reason from the drop-down. Click the Complete Transfer button. In this example, the student's eligibility already shows dropped. Scroll to the bottom of the Transfer Student page. Verify the exit date and exit reason. Add a comment if needed. Click the Complete Transfer button.
Thank you for spending time with us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future updates, tutorials, or trainings. On behalf of Eldorado Celtas, thank you for your continued partnership and for the work you do to support students with disabilities every day.